Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into Dogecoin's recent price movement, and I'll be sharing my analysis and predictions for what we might expect in April 2024. It's been a very wild ride for Dogecoin recently, but also for all the crypto market at large. So I'm excited to unpack all the details and share my insights with you. If you're passionate about keeping up with the latest trends and analysis in the world of crypto, but also in the world of the stock market in general, and you appreciate the content I'm creating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Staying updated on regular content means you won't miss out on any crucial insights that could help you make informed decisions. Now, before we get into the juicy details, a quick but important reminder. The content shared here is for educational and informational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. What I share are my personal opinions, not investment recommendations. The world of investing is risky and always uncertain. So please do your own research and consider consulting with a professional before making any financial moves. Remember, your investments are your responsibility, and I'm here to share insights, not guide your investment strategy. Quick note before we dive in. I love working with divergences. They're like a secret signal in the price charts, and it's telling us if a trend's about to change or to keep going. It's a little bit like reading between the lines, if you may. And that's my specialty. So keep an eye out for those as we go through Dogecoin's move together, and it's pretty cool stuff. First, you'll probably notice that I've already drawn a bunch of stuff on my charts, and these are just previous resistance lines and new resistance lines. But these most likely will be divergences. So here we had a previous divergence that happened early March, and it was saying that Doge was supposed to fall. So it didn't fall right away as my prediction was highlighting it, but it did fall about 10 days later in the 20th. So it was, sometimes divergences happen, but later on. But I guess my experience in crypto, for example, they do happen. For the stock market, it's a little bit more tricky because the thing is we have a lot more stuff to look at in a normal stock market. We have reports that we have to look at, annual reports, quarterly reports, but also news and stuff like that. So we have to really follow whatever company we invest in, and we have to pair it with technical analysis. But on the crypto world, it's a little bit more speculative, and I can afford to work with divergences a lot more. So that's why I'm presenting mostly crypto here, but I'll also be analyzing some of the charts in a normal stock market in other videos. So how it works is that you have different types of divergences. You have hidden divergences, and you have reversal divergences. So the reversal, like the word that the noun says, it's indicating that the price is about to reverse. This is a reversal divergence, and that basically means that we're taking an indicator like the MACD here, or the RSI. I work with the MACD. I find it better, but I use the RSI to confirm the divergence. So we're going to look at tops and bottoms. And right now, what I'm seeing is a divergence here on the tops. So if I look at the tops of the MACD and I look at the tops of the price, I can see there is a divergence in a direction. So the direction of the price is going up, but the direction of the MACD is going sideways and even slightly down. So that means that these two are diverging, and that means that the price is going to go down. It's going to go down because we're looking at the tops. So anything diverging on the top meaning even if it was on the contrary sense, like here it would go down and here it would go up, it still means it's going down. It always goes down if it's on the tops. So here we can see that Dogecoin shown that it was going to reverse, and our new target was going to be around this area. So it didn't happen right away, but it happened later, and it did happen. It always, I mean, if you see a divergence, pretty sure it's going to happen. Like, I mean, I would say 80%. So here I'm spotting another one, and that's the one that we want to see, because Dogecoin is showing a divergence, which kind of is a big deal because we like Dogecoin. We want to invest in Dogecoin, the most of us in crypto. And what we are seeing, and I'm going to color these in red just because it's just more appropriate, because these are actual indication that the price is going to go down. So here we have a divergence again on the top, and we do not have a confirmation on the RSI, but we do have it on the MACD. And so here I like to calculate my divergence by copying and pasting them here, because it gives me an indication of the time roughly, even though sometimes it happens a lot later. But basically I'm going to follow that line, and I'm going to go back to the point where I'm coming. So I'm coming from these prices. I'm going to target these prices then. And this is where I'm going. So to me, and then we can see that Doge followed that trend line. I mean, it's following right now. Plus we can even see that Doge has created like some sort of M, which is not great, right? So yeah, so but it's going already to target. About 80% of the target I consider a divergence to be materialized. All right, now let's look at another divergence. So we're seeing one here that I'm going to highlight. We're seeing the price here going sideways as such, and we're seeing the price on the MACD dropping big time. That's also a divergence. I mean, it really is showing that the price is going to go down again. And how do we calculate this? Well, we are going to copy and paste again for the price length, I mean the time length. And the way we're going to calculate the damages, we're just going to look at this second top and see when was the last time that it crossed the line, and it was here. So I would say that basically we are targeting this area like this. Well, and then we can see that it has been materialized. So I'm coming a little bit late here for sure, but we just can see how divergences, I mean, how powerful they are. So that's what we're going to study here. We're going to jump here on the price again and target another section that shows again another divergence. And we're going to study it a little bit in detail. So I've already traced it. It's not fun anymore, but let's see. So here we have two tops here again, and we have a divergence again on the MACD big time. I mean, it's still falling, don't get me wrong, but it's falling not at the same. It's not falling the same. I mean, it's not the same fall, right? So this I consider to be divergences as well. And how I'm going to calculate this again, I'm just going to say, okay, we're going to be here soon. And that's the target. So here we are with Dogecoin. And we've looked at, I believe, the latest divergences. We don't have anything new, at least not on the 4-hour candle. But yeah, so these are my targets. So they are telling a little bit of the time frame before 2024, for the April 4, we will reach this target, which we kind of did already. I mean, I consider this to be done. But now if we switch to the daily candle, it's a little bit not fantastic either. we can see also divergences here big time, and we can trace them. So we have one here, it's going up, the price is going up, and I apologize for all these arrows everywhere. But here we're looking at a divergence, so we have the price going up, we have the MACD going down, and we also have confirmation this time with the RSI, which is not good. I mean, it says it's going to fall, but I mean, never mind, it's already fallen. So I was just going to say that, and I'm trying to get you used to divergences as well. So it just meant that it was going to go back down, which it did already. So this is materialized, this is great. And yeah, now I believe this is it for the tops. I think we have others, but they are minimal, so I won't go further into this. But now let's look at the bottoms, and let's see if we see any of these divergences on the bottom. Bottoms always means that it's going to go up, and let's see, we should have some divergences on the bottom just because Doge is super bullish right now, and we actually do. So if we look at here, we have a bottom sort of here, and we can see that our bottom, and I'm going to draw them in green because I mean red now, there are too many of them red. So this one is going down, right? But we have the MACD showing a big difference here. We're going up on this one. And so this, because we're looking at the bottoms here, we're looking at a reversal back up, which it did. It just did. I mean, the goal here, the target was going to be basically back up here, which we did already. Well, yeah, we did already with this candle, so this is materialized, but we have others as well. If you look at more broadly, more general type of bottoms, we have, for example, this is a bottom that is diverging from our MACD big time, and yeah, I mean, so this is going up very obviously, and this is going down, not very obviously, but still count like a divergence. If you look at it in a smashed way, you could see this. So I'm just going to copy and paste it, and it's going to give me my next target. And I believe, yep, it should be back up soon, but there is no surprise here. Everybody is waiting for, I mean, everybody's expecting Dogecoin to be back up very soon. But that will be happening before the 20th of April, and we're going to be back up in 21 cents. So no surprise there. And there you have it. That's my take on Dogecoin for April 2024 so far. I'll probably do another video later. Remember, the world of crypto is always full of surprises, so keep an eye on these divergences and stay curious. If you find this analysis helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Your support means a lot and helps keep this channel going. Until next time, keep analyzing, stay informed, and let's navigate these crypto waves together.